dive with yours truly.
I'm back!
So this time, we're going to be looking at something pretty interesting. It is the March 2025 edition of Tech News. And,
Ooh, March already?
I know, right? Time flies when you're having fun with tech.
It really does.
Especially with all this crazy AI stuff coming out.
It's wild out there right now.
Absolutely wild. So anyway, this is from TechViews 10X, as always.
Always a good source.
Always good stuff. And let me tell you, we got a lot to cover today. We're talking drones, we're talking AI, new gadgets, updates on all the streaming wars, and even
Oh, and some game hits.
some game hints. Got to keep the brain sharp, right?
Gotta keep the viewers engaged.
Exactly. So buckle up, folks, because we are about to go on a wild ride through the world of tech.
I'm ready. Let's dive in.
All right. So first up, DJI is making a big splash with this vehicle-mounted drone dock.
Oh, yeah, I saw this.
It's like straight out of some sci-fi movie, right?
Seriously, like you're driving down the road and boom, drone pops out the roof.
Exactly. What do you think the possibilities are with this thing?
I mean, the possibilities are kind of endless, right? Like you could have emergency responders getting to hard-to-reach areas way faster.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Or package delivery taken to a whole new level of speed.
Talk about drone delivery.
But then you also got to think about like the less savory applications. You know,
Oh, yeah, for sure.
like mobile surveillance taken to a whole new level.
It's a double-edged sword with every new tech, right?
Always is.
So on that note, how about a story that's a little more lighthearted?
Oh, please. Hit me.
Apparently, the company that makes those super fancy beds for, Elon and DOGE,
Oh, yeah, the Sleep Haven folks.
yeah, they've got a security flaw in their beds.
You're kidding me. A security flaw in a bed?
No, I'm serious.
But how? What does that even mean?
Right. Like, what could possibly go wrong with a bed?
I mean, it is kind of ironic, though, isn't it?
Totally. Like you're trying to create this ultimate sleep sanctuary.
The most secure place for rest.
And then, bam, somebody hacks your mattress.
No, that's a nightmare. I wouldn't want to wake up to.
Speaking of things that are better when they fold, let's talk about the rumors swirling around this Samsung Galaxy Trifold phone.
Three folds.
3 folds. They're really going for it this time.
Screen real estate for days.
Imagine the multitasking possibilities.
Right, like a tablet that fits in your pocket.
But also imagine trying to fold the darn thing.
Oh, yeah. That's going to be a learning curve for sure.
I can already see people getting frustrated trying to origami their phone back into their pocket.
And what about durability? With all those hinges, it's got to be more fragile, right?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It is! So many questions.
But hey, let's move on to some AI news because things are getting really interesting in that department.
Oh, yeah, AI is just exploding right now.
So OpenAI is planning on integrating its video AI tool Sora into ChatGPT.
Sora in ChatGPT. Now that's a power move.
Right. So after it rolls out in the US, ChatGPT is going to be able to generate videos.
Whoa. Think about it. Videos just from typing in a prompt.
That's going to revolutionize content creation.
Oh.
I mean, think about education, marketing, entertainment.
Everything.
Everything is going to change.
Talk about a game changer.
And speaking of games, how about we take a quick break?
Sounds good.
Before we do, though, I just got to remind everyone, if you're even thinking about starting your own online business,
Oh, yeah.
go check out www.businesscon.com.
They'll look you up.
They've got all the tools, the resources you need, no matter what your experience level is.
Step-by-step guidance all the way.
So yeah, go check them out. Now, back to the future of entertainment.
Back to it.
So the streaming wars are raging on, and this time it's Netflix saying goodbye to some classic titles.
Oh, no. What are they taking away now?
So 16 Candles and Mad Max Fury Road are leaving the platform.
Oh, man. Fury Road is a classic.
I know, right? It's a shame. But it seems like it's a constant battle.
It is. The
Yeah.
streaming landscape is just constantly changing.
Like 1 minute your favorite movie is there, the next
Yeah.
it's gone. It's tough to keep up.
It is. So what about you? Are you subscribed to all the services or do you try to be more selective?
Honestly, I try to be selective, but it's hard when there's so much good content out there.
I feel you.
Speaking of good content, did you see those game hints this week?
Ooh, which ones?
They had hints for Quartal NYT strands and NYT connections.
Oh, nice. How'd you do?
I did all right. Not going to brag or anything.
Come on, spill the beans.
Let's just say I managed to keep my streak going.
All right. All right. I respect that.
But seriously, folks, let us know in the comments how you did with those puzzles.
Mm-hmm.
We love hearing from you guys.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so moving on to something a little more nostalgic.
Ooh, nostalgia. I love it.
So this Framework 12 laptop is giving me serious one laptop per child vibe.
Framework 12. Yeah, I see what you mean. It's got that same kind of mission.
And for good reason, right?
Yeah, the CEO actually worked on the OLPC project.
Small world, huh?
It really is.
But it's cool to see that idea of accessible and sustainable tech living on.
Absolutely. Like technology for good, you know?
Totally. Speaking of things that are good for the soul, let's talk about superheroes.
Always down for some superhero talk.
The cast list for Daredevil, Born Again, is up on Disney+.
Oh, yeah. I saw that Charlie Cox is back.
Charlie Cox is back. Vincent D'Onofrio is back.
They're really going all out with this one.
I'm so hyped for this show.
It's going to be epic.
All right, folks, hold on tight because we're about to go through a rapid-fire round of news.
Hit me with it.
So we've got Paramount Plus updates, Google Pixel 9a, leaks, highly rated Netflix movies you need to watch.
Whoa, slow down, slow down.
There's just so much to cover.
I can't keep up.
It's a whirlwind of tech and entertainment news.
It never stops, does it?
And speaking of things that never stop, have you checked out www.businesskong.com yet?
I feel like we should be getting commission at this point.
Seriously, though,
Yeah.
they're the best resource for starting an online business.
They really make it easy.
All right, back to the news blips. So DeLonghi is really upping their coffee game with this new bean-to-cup machine.
Oh, yeah, I saw this thing.
They're claiming barista-level lattes at the touch of a button.
Sign me up.
I know, right?
Yeah.
My milk frothing skills are pretty tragic, so this sounds like a dream come true.
Mine too. Mine too.
What about you? What's your go-to coffee order?
I'm a simple man. Black coffee all the way.
Respect. All right, brace yourselves for this next one. AMD has slashed the price of its most powerful processor by almost half.
What? Are you serious?
Dead serious.
That's unheard of.
It's crazy, right? It makes you wonder what their strategy is.
Maybe they're trying to grab more market share.
Or maybe they're just feeling generous.
Could be. It's a
Yeah.
good time to be a PC gamer, that's for sure.
No kidding. All right, let's do a quick recap of the 7 biggest tech stories of the week.
Let's hear it.
So we've got the next-gen Alexa, the iPhone 16e, and a bunch of other cool stuff.
Sounds like a busy week.
But the one I'm most excited about is this smart baby monitor from Mom Cozy.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one.
It's got all these enhanced alerts that would have been a lifesaver back when my kids were babies.
Smart home tech for the win.
Seriously. And finally, let's end on a light note with some comedy.
I'm always up for a big laugh.
So Netflix has this new comedy show called Welcome to the Family, and it looks absolutely hilarious.
What's it about?
It's like Knives Out meets Weekend at Bernie's.
Intriguing.
I'm already sold.
Huh.
Are you going to watch it?
I think I have to now.
You definitely do.
Yeah.
And for all you music lovers out there, here's how you can catch the Brit Awards 2025 online for free,
Free. I'm listening.
no matter where you are.
Streaming services are a beautiful thing.
They really are. And that's a wrap, folks. Drones, AI foldable phones, streaming wars, game hints, superheroes, coffee tech. We covered it all.
We did it.
Big thanks to TechViews 10X for all the awesome content.
As always.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your tech-loving friends.
Spread the love.
And most importantly, let us know in the comments what innovations you're most excited about and what concerns you the most.
We want to hear from you.
They always do. And hey, if you're feeling inspired to start your own online business, you know where to go.
www.businesskong.com.
They'll guide you every step of the way.
Every step.
So until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
See you next time, folks.
Bye, everyone.